The quintessential nature of the beast. It is to be predatory, to stand up for ourselves, to fight, to hold our ground when times seem so low, so hard. We feel it in our bones, we feel it in our hearts. We see it on the faces of children we pass in the street. We step lightly, careful not to knock, careful not to make a sound, careful not to hold the hand of our neighbour. And why we must ask ourselves, has society become so dark, so meaningless? Where is our sense of justice? Where is the sense that us people stand united? Unity is nothing in these days. When the light shines darkest, we're lost. And we'll continue to be lost, and we'll be lost forever until we find ourselves in this world. We find ourselves in the land when children laugh. They run happy and smile. Smile for this country which is great, and smile for the future ahead of themselves. Now this is our time. We need to step up and face the hardship that we've caused, the mess that we've made. We need to clean ourselves up and clean this land from shit. And that is when we can be proud to be ourselves, and proud to show that the beast has not won. The time is delicate. The time is hard. And we face more challenges than we will ever face in our lives. But our time is to stand, and to stand like we've never stood before. Be our own people. Be unique, be smart, be educated. Be what it is to be. The quintessential nature of the beast. I can't do any of that.